Hi friends, welcome to our channel, where we make cleaning fun, easy, and enjoyable.
This is what it looks like after breakfast. The kids are off to school, and I'm going to be sharing with you my top choice of products on how to clean an electric cooktop. So here are my products. I like to use vinegar, Dawn soap, any dish soap is fine, and baking soda. First, you're going to grab your sponge and you're just going to run it through water and just go ahead and do your first layer. Now, if you have really bad stains, I would consider using an oven cleaner. But since this is just, a day-to-day after breakfast or after any meal, I like to spray vinegar all around the stains, all around your cooktop. Then I like to put the baking soda. And you're gonna grab your sponge, run it through warm water. And just do circular motions all around the stains. Now remember, this is just the first layer. Many people are scared to clean an electric cooktop. This is my second one. I've had it for about 3 years now. And so I'm pretty comfortable with it now. So you're just gonna spray vinegar one more time. And you're gonna let it sit for about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the stain. So you're gonna grab your microfiber cloth and you're gonna do the S pattern. This is gonna be the first layer, as I mentioned. Then you're gonna grab your razor blade. Many people are scared that it's gonna scratch. Honestly, if you're just gentle, don't put too much pressure. It should come right off, and it'll make your stove look brand new.
Music licensing reimagined.
So if you're wondering what it was that made this mess, my son asked me for oatmeal. So this is all oatmeal mess. You're gonna keep scrubbing, circular motion, all around. And there you go. Looks brand new.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
There you have it, guys. You're gonna rinse your microfiber cloth with warm water.
Reimagined.
And you're gonna go ahead and wipe.
Artlist.io.
And now I'm just gonna wipe all around, just making the space look brand new.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now for the backsplash, I usually I clean that separately. I like to use a glass cleaner for that.
All right, and here is the before and after.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is Simone, aka Mr. Whiskers, such a cute little guy. Now for our bonus,
Artlist.io.
I'm going to show you guys how I clean this very nice new cookware set that I purchased from Caraway.
Oh man, boy. Look at that. Somebody was hungry.
Music licensing reimagined.
Right.
For the bottom of the pan, I like to use Barkeeper's Friend.
Music licensing reimagined.
While using Barkeeper's Friend, I just like to stay right where the stainless steel part is and just go in circular motion. I don't want to scratch the rest of the pan. And it leaves it brand new.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
This black scrubber is from IKEA. It comes in two colors, the green and black. I used to have the green one, but I really like this black one. It just matches our home a little better.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna go ahead and dry up everything. Personally, I like to leave the sink just clean and empty, and it just makes the home feel much cleaner. So there you have it, friends. We're all done here.
Music licensing
Please let me know if you have any
reimagined.
questions, and thank you for watching.
Be sure to follow us in our next video. Bye!